せいしん. You hear it in sports and in medical topics. It appears when we talk about a person's inner side.
せいしん、スポーツの試合や医療の話でよく出ます。内面について話すときに使います。
It is used as a noun. 精神 means the mind or inner will, and it can also mean the guiding ethos or ideals behind actions.
心の働きや気持ちの力、やる気の強さを指します。さらに、社会や考え方の中心にある理念を表すこともあります。
The first kanji means refined or pure essence. It suggests polishing and precision. Think of words like seidou and seisan. They show careful measuring and neat settling. The second kanji means God or divine. It points to what is sacred or beyond the physical. Words like jinja and kami-sama remind us of respect and awe. It adds a sense of the unseen inner world. I am mentally strong.
私は精神が強いです。私は精神が強いです。
Now I want to rest my mind.
今は精神を休めたいです。今は精神を休めたいです。
The team fought with one spirit.
チームは精神を一つにして戦いました。チームは精神を一つにして戦いました。
Every morning, he takes a deep breath to calm his mind.
彼は毎朝深呼吸をして精神を落ち着かせます。彼は毎朝深呼吸をして精神を落ち着かせます。
The most common synonyms of the word are kokoro and kiryoku. Kokoro is broader and includes feelings and emotions. Kiryoku focuses on energy and drive. Seishin overlaps with both, but also covers ideals or ethos in some contexts. The most common antonym of the word is nikutai, which points to the physical body. Seishin is about the mind, will, and inner aspect, not the physical side.